What is up, everybody? So we just got into 2020, so congratulations, happy new year to everybody. But we are gonna go over our numbers like we do every month, so you guys know that we're not full of it. And sending you guys garbage, because we actually do this. This is our day job of buying things on eBay and selling them on Amazon. And I'll show you the numbers we did. So let me share my screen. Cool. So on our eBay sales, we did $291,803. That's this year. As you can see, just the drop off, like just died. I think it even stops in November 30th. That was the last time we even sold anything on eBay. Because we just found out it's hard to scale, right? We're putting in some processes in place in the near future to help scale that for you guys. You guys do sell on eBay. Because they're both great platforms in the end, right? So here is our data: $291,803 for 2019. Now, let me show you this. Cool. So here is our 19. Let me refresh so you guys don't think it's full. Cool. Let me custom. Awesome. So you can see we made $902,630.29. You can see, so we bought a liquidation here, store closeout right there. So this is four or five stores we bought out right here. Do you see this little spike? This little spike. It's from 4 to 5 stores we bought almost completely out. There were Shimano and some other random stuff store. It was a bike store, Performance Bicycle. And this is that. This is that. And then it stopped, few sales lagging, but then literally March 31st, we had no sales at all. April, and then I think I was testing some things out maybe here, but here we go. This is when it starts, right? This is when April 30th, so going into May, this is when we started buying. You can just see this spike, right? We maxed out about November. We always found out Novembers are the best, honestly, because we didn't have enough stock in this year. Like next year, if I did it again, I would try to fill up on consumer-based items earlier, and we just kept running out. Like at one point we had almost no items were on the storeroom floor, right? So that's why you see this dip. Right. So then that is the total. So average sales about $110, 1.1 units. That's actually not bad. 1.1 for our store. It's actually not bad at all. Total items ordered 8,182. Total units ordered 9,026. Right. So again, we roughly did about $1.2 million combined this year. Obviously, in the beginning of the year was this is all eBay. So this is all eBay pretty much. Maybe some books here or there, some random things. So this is all eBay, and then just all Amazon after that. The reason why Amazon's so profitable is because they handle all the back end stuff. So as somebody that wants to do a business or wants to grow a business, you want to be on the very top of the funnel. So if you see the funnel, like let's say this is the funnel over my hands, my head. All right, this is the funnel. So look up how your business operates. So for us, in eBay and any kind of resale, you need to acquire inventory. That's number one. So number one is acquire inventory. For eBay, it is then to photo and list, and then to pack, right? So those are kind of 3 steps. If you're at the top of the funnel, you need to be focusing at the very, very top of the funnel, and let the bottom end, either you need to create processes for the bottom end to become very, very efficient, or we're going to struggle scaling, right? So the heavier the top gets at that point, and the heavier the bottom gets. You want to have where the top, it just kind of, you want to have the whole weight on top, as in all you want to be only focused on the top. For us, sourcing, you always want to be focused on that sourcing, right? So if you're doing that, then we can just push in inventory to Amazon because they handle fulfillment, they do all that stuff, right? So our jobs are very, very easy now. It's become buy, label, and list, or more like label. Or it's not list. I don't call it list because you have a photo, right? It's very, very simple. You just got to label, right? That's why Amazon can scale so much higher than almost any other store. It's the reason why no marketplace can compare. That's the fact. And they have higher prices, so then some more sellers want to go, and it's just a great feedback loop. Long story short, $1.2 million this year. Good job, team, and y'all that are working on this. It's doable. Um, it's very doable. I know some people that are spending $4,000 to $8,000 to $12,000 a month now. That's pretty good, guys. There's somebody even almost spending about $20,000 a month, right? So that's pretty dang good. Keep it going, keep it pushing, and keep making that money as best as possible. Yep. So if you guys use the software, awesome. If you guys like this video and you want to see some other cool stuff, give us that like, as Graham Stephan would say, smash that like button. Yeah, it's fine either way, right? But it's very, very helpful. Again, guys, happy 2020. Let's make some money. Peace.